Hello everybody, welcome back to our HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to customize quick settings on the Honor Magic V6. So first, what you guys want to do is, if you want to customize your quick settings, we're going to go over and swipe from the right side from the top. As you guys can see, here we have our quick settings. What are we going to do here is click on the icon right here to edit everything. Here we can add a card. As you guys can see, we have the dynamic tiles. We can click on a plus and add it. Now we can just press on save to leave. And here we can add a tile. As you guys can see, we can add the assistive ball, ebook mode, ultra power saving, extra dim. So we can add extra dim, recorder. And also we can add something from the apps. Like as you guys can see, Honor Lens, Android, acceleration probably. I'm not really sure here. Here we have the storage by Google. Here we have the phone services. And as you guys can see, now we can click on this check mark and save it. So if you want to change how they look or where they are, you can easily just press and hold and switch places. So as you guys can see, I want them at the top. Now I want them to change, and this is how it looks like. So here you can also do the same with singular apps. As you guys can see, now you can press on the check mark and all of that is saved. So that's how you guys can easily do it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.